Choosing between quality and quantity in marketing can certainly leave you scratching your head and going in circles. While producing high-quality content weighs on your pace, generating too much content in a short time makes your writers feel burnout. Yes, it's quite the tightrope walk, but this is where a sound content marketing strategy comes in to give you that much-needed balance. It'll help you create engaging content that resonates with your audience and while keeping your team's workload at optimal levels. Hello again, I'm Pooja Sriram, and in today's video, we'll be covering how you can ideate a practical content strategy from scratch and in no time. So let's get started. Tip 1. Define your goals clearly. Setting well thought out goals is the first step for any content strategy. Whether it's increasing leads and signups, improving website performance, or enhancing brand awareness, establishing specific goals is 101. You have to choose all of these or any of these for that matter. Just make sure that you pick a combination of goals that works best for your brand. Oh, and a quick tip, put your goals down on paper before creating your strategy. It's the fastest way to finalize your content plan and get the ball rolling. Tip 2. Know more about your audience. Ask yourself these questions. What are my audience's challenges? And how do these business obstacles affect my business? And what exactly would make their lives easier? Once you've put yourself in the shoes of your customer and answered these questions, start creating audience-centric content that helps fix these concerns and brings value to the consumer. By the way, want to find out how you can understand your audience in a jiffy? Keep watching this video and head to the link in the description once you're done. Tip 3. Brainstorm content ideas and execution plans. A content plan puts all the necessary details about content creation and execution into perspective. Which details, you ask? Well, it typically covers the type of content you want to create, its timelines, the channels you'll be using to deliver it, and all the metrics that'll help measure its performance. Don't forget to explore all the popular content types like blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts to see what does the trick for you. And remember, your writing team is the key to successfully executing your content plans. So make sure that you get their suggestions and inputs before you finalize your strategy. Tip 4. Start creating meaningful, relevant content. Your content should be engaging, valuable, and actionable. Consider this as a rule of thumb throughout the creation process. So make the most of content briefs to ensure that all the relevant teams, be it brand, design, or video, understand your goals and strategy. And we know managing creative activities across multiple teams can be quite the pain. So we suggest that you use a content calendar like this one to streamline your production workflow. Tip 5. Publish, promote, and optimize. Once your assets are all set for action, make full use of multiple channels and marketing methods to amplify your content reach. Social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, you name it. The goal here is to engage with your audience, encourage social sharing, and actively participate in relevant online communities. All of these activities will help your content in reaching the audience that you have your eyes set on. You can also leverage SEO to optimize your content for search engines. This way, you'll be reaching a much bigger audience by spending close to nothing. Brilliant, right? Tip 6. Analyze, improve, and repeat. If you want to get to the bottom of which strategy is working for you and which isn't, monitoring your content's performance is an absolute must. So once your content goes live, use analytics to track engagement and conversions and gather useful insights about suitable content types and your best performing channels. Using these kinds of insights goes a long way in optimizing your strategy and ensuring that your content performance improves over time. It also is a smart move to periodically reassess your content strategy. Once in, say, 6 months or every year is a great place to start. So there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide on crafting an effective content marketing strategy. That's it for today's episode of CX Unplugged. If you have any doubts, don't think twice to reach out to us. We're always more than happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.